Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a project timeline template for Excel. Let's get started. You can download the PDF tutorial in the video description below. To start, click on File. On the right side of the home screen, click on More Templates. In the search box on the left, type in Project Timeline. Hit Enter, or click on the search icon. Excel will load several templates for project timelines. Let's click on one. In the window that opens, Excel tells you about this project timeline template and what it is best used for. You can use the left and right arrows to scroll through the different project timeline templates. When you find the template that you like, click on Create. Excel will load your project timeline template, ready for you to use. That's it for today's how-to video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.